When I
Pasok,
find
pasok.
myself
At ako'y magbibidyo.
in trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking
Yan ang mga
words of
lolo.
wisdom.
Ang mga lolong pogi. Ang mga lolang magaganda. Charis.
She is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Wishing words of wisdom. Let it be.
Sinong pogi eh?
Broken hearted, living in the world of greed. There will be an absence.
So sweet naman talaga.
Still